Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a PayPal invoice payment. This guide focuses on unpaid invoices, as paid ones cannot be canceled directly. You will learn the simple steps to navigate your PayPal account, locate the specific invoice, and successfully cancel it with just a few clicks. We will cover everything from finding your activity to confirming the cancellation, ensuring you can manage your invoices effectively and efficiently. Stay tuned for a clear, step-by-step walkthrough. To begin, you will need to log into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, look for the Activity tab, usually found at the top of your dashboard. Click on this section to view your recent transactions. From there, you can use the search function or apply filters to narrow down your results. Select the Invoices filter to easily find the specific invoice you intend to cancel. This ensures you are viewing the correct document. After successfully locating the invoice you wish to cancel, click on it to open its full details. Within the Invoice Details page, you should see an option to cancel invoice or simply cancel. This button is typically prominent and easy to find. PayPal will then ask you to confirm your decision. Carefully review the information one last time before proceeding. Once confirmed, the invoice will be marked as canceled, and the recipient will be notified. It is crucial to remember that only unpaid invoices can be canceled. If an invoice has already been paid, you will need to process a refund instead. Once an invoice is canceled, it cannot be reactivated. You would need to create and send a brand new invoice if required. PayPal automatically sends an email notification to the recipient informing them of the cancellation. It is always a good practice to also communicate directly with your recipient to ensure clarity and avoid any misunderstandings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.